box breathing, square, square. So inhale, 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. That's what it looks like. We are doing box breathing, square, square. So inhale, 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. That's what it looks like. We're going to start off with the 4, 4, 4, 4. Last round for 4s. Now we're going to do 3 rounds of 8. So it's 8 in, hold 8, 8 out, hold 8. Here we go. Hold. Hold. Exhale. Hold. 8. Inhale. Hold 8. Exhale 8. Hold 8. I do box breathing when I'm feeling a little anxious. I just need to calm down. So do this when you're feeling that way. Or you have a lot on your mind and your mind is just, you've got the monkey mind going. Just go ahead and take 4 box breath, the 8 box breath. The other thing you can do, I've got this breathing tube right here. You can do it through the tube. I also have one I keep on my wrist. Okay. So it goes like this. We'll do the 4. Inhale. Hold. And exhale, 4. You can do it with a straw. This came from, I don't know, I think they're called breast straws. Same thing, this is breast straws. I just made it into a bracelet, and now they actually have the malas that you can get breast straws from. Another thing you can do is inhale. And you can feel immediate relief with this. I promise, I promise.